They live in multi-generational. Helped by her accumulated knowledge, the whales have become ruthlessly efficient. They have a 90% hunting success rate. But a killer whale needs to eat a seal a day. So this 14-strong family has a lot of hunting to do. Spreading out, they spy hop to search the ice floes. When a seal is spotted, the scouts alert the family with a rallying call. But if they are to catch a seal resting on such a large piece of ice, the hunters need to change their tactics. The matriarch whale, however, has a plan. Working in a coordinated way, the pod pushed the seal's ice platform into clearer water.